Hey, I'm Jim Loiza from Metablox, where our mission is to preserve humanity's most important memories. And today, very important, I want to show you how to mint your reserved blocks. I know you've been waiting for it, and today is the day I'm going to show you how you can mint it. So first and foremost, you have to log in with the email you used to reserve your blocks. Once you're logged in, you're going to go here to the Find My Blocks section. And when you click on the Find My Blocks section, you're going to see the drop-down area for all of your reserved blocks. Okay, so here are all my reserved blocks. And then you can see this area here or this button here that says mint multiple blocks. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you see it opens up an area where I can mint all the blocks. I can pick and choose which blocks I want to mint. Doesn't have to be all of them. It can be a subset. I'm going to choose to mint, let's say 4 of them. Yeah, let's mint 4. What is 1977, 78, 79, 80. Okay, I'm going to mint 4 of these blocks. I'm going to hit confirm. And then I have 2 choices. I can mint with debit card. So using fiat, this will take me to the Stripe page. Today, we're going to use MetaMask. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click on the MetaMask button, and it's going to give me the option to use MATIC. So I'm going to go ahead and click on MATIC. And then it's going to open up this section here where I'm going to, very importantly, change the gas fee. So I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to do Edit Suggested Gas Fee, and I'm going to click on High. This is very important because if you don't do this, it's going to take too long to mint and it's going to time out. So that's why you have to change it to high gas fee. Once that's ready, you're going to hit confirm, and then it's going to process that transaction. All right. And that's it. You've now minted the blocks. See, a little bug here. We're still finishing up. Minting is on Monday, May 23rd. Today is the Thursday before the Monday. Just want to make sure you have the tutorial so that you're ready. But the blocks are minted. I can go ahead and click on this button here. And you can see this is the collection on OpenSea where I can see all the blocks that have been minted. Then I can go back here. I can click on finished. And if I check here, let's see, what was it? 1977, there it goes. 1977, 78, 79, and 80 are all minted to me. So I can click on that, find my blocks. You can see that these, 79 and 80, 1980 are all minted and owned by me. In addition, I can click on the OpenSea URL right here to check it out on OpenSea. So this is the way you're going to be able to trade your blocks. So if you're selling this on OpenSea or looking to trade it, somebody can just click here on the description to find it on Metablox to see where it's located. And so they can always click back here to find it on OpenSea. And that's the way you can verify to make sure it is the true and real blocks because they link to each other and you're not being scammed by someone that's trying to build a pretend Metablox. All right. And with that, you should be ready to mint on Monday, May 23rd. Be on the lookout. We're going to be launching. We'll announce the time soon. And we look forward to preserving humanity's most important memories together. Happy minting.